Neighbor's out here cutting the grass with his hood up. Yes, it is that cold. We got the West Civic with an ls.nasty sticker. These are in the merch link below. Go and get your ls.nasty stuff. I have some badass billet pistons over here. I moved them, they're somewhere. Where are they? Here they are. Signed by Jason Harris. If you guys think I'm cool, I can sign them. But I'm gonna give away 3 of these billet badass Pro Mod pistons in the next giveaway. I'm gonna pick a winner next week. Go down there and get you guys some ls.nasty merch. It could be cow merch, it could be salted chicken merch, it doesn't matter. Just go down there, buy any of the John Doc merch. Oh my God, what is going on? We got Ben and Wes here.
The merch link is in the description below.
I just got done telling them we got a giveaway going on. Win some badass Pro Mod parts, which is fine. So what are we doing today, boys? Is today the day?
Today's the day.
Let me sit down for a second.
Sit down and talk to us.
And well, we're gonna talk to you a little bit here. So walk me through the day. We're in a quarter mile on the slicks. What's it gonna bump off? No time.
No time.
That's the answer.
It was the 20th of October.
Wes! Oh, you look fast.
Stay down.
It was a little bit cold in the morning. We thought it was going to be a good day for some testing, but...
All right, Wes. Hang it wide open out the back door.
Tough to pass tech for one. I mean, I barely got through with my 14-second car, so...
Go out there and have some fun, all right?
That's what I'm aiming for. Then, after I got teched in, it just all went downhill from there.
Don't lift, all right? I'm being for real. Let them kick you out.
I was at a no prep the weekend before, so I had my 2-step set way low. So I turned it back up to wherever I had it when it was testing at the lot before, because it made a solid 60-foot pass. I made a few passes there. And
you raising it? There's some bite out there.
I just went out there and sent it.
Give me some. All right, let's run it out the back door, all right?
Oh, the burnout was solid. So I'll pull up to the line.
Rotary.
Pull up there, stage, and the choo-choo boil was just spoiling. It was ready to let loose down the track. Let off the 2-step. I'm out on the GT500. Yeah, I got out there. It was rough though. I went from first to second. Didn't want to go into second. It took a minute to get into second. Once I got into second, it was pulling pretty good. Went to third nicely. I was out there probably out there about 3 cars on the GT500, and then I decided instead of going to 4th, I went back to 2nd. So that's the way of the road, you know. Sometimes she goes. That time she didn't go.
I need you to come get me. Yeah, I think I broke.
And that was like a small 60/60 documentary here of what we're doing today. As you heard, the choo-choo boy on Wes's Civic was putting in work, and Wes said, nah,
Not today.
You're putting in too much work, let's slow down, and tried this new whole engine braking thing at Watt. So we're gonna rip the head off. We have Ben here, not to do work, just to supervise. Ben's just supervising here. Wes is gonna get his hands dirty, pull your lone head off of your block, and
Oh God.
unveil the damage.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, what do you, let's take a guess here. What do you think has happened?
Bent valves, and I'll probably need some pistons.
What? No, I just think all the valves are around. Pistons are fine,
The
probably.
pistons are good?
Yeah. Pistons are much harder than a valve.
Maybe some self-fly cutting.
But at 12,000 RPMs, are they stronger than a valve?
I mean, it just depends on how thick they are and how dented they are. how deep the dents
Oh, I
are.
might just put valves back in it and send it again.
Yeah,
I
the
like
dents
it.
aren't that deep.
Dude, you know AutoZone sells heads. We can get this sucker rolling tonight. But anyways, guys, before we get any further into this video, do me a favor, go down, slap the like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment, and I will enter you guys into a giveaway just on this video alone for an ls.nasty hat. I have a bunch sitting back there that I can give away. So comment, thumbs up, subscribe, entered to win. Let's get into this teardown. Oh, we got the hood off. Man, it looks faster already.
I know. I'm just gonna start running it like this.
Wow.
Come along slowly.
Wow.
I would take a damn 11 on that. I'd take a deep 11 on that socket.
You just take that catch can.
Yeah, undo that clamp and the whole catch can will twist and slide up.
There it is, bud. I appreciate
What
you.
is on the bottom of that?
What the fuck?
That's a bolt ramp.
That's like a crank. That's a crank pulley bolt.
Show this to the camera.
That is a crankshaft dampener or fucking whatever you want to call it.
A crank bolt.
Yeah, crank bolt for a Honda.
Shoved in the. That's why you can't drain your catch can.
I know, that's why I had an issue trying to drain it. And you're like, oh, just put a wrench to it. I'm like, I don't think so.
That right there is some choo-choo boy shit.
So what do? Do I take the bolt off and see how much is in there?
No, you purchase a new catch can.
Nah. Probably a bunch of water. Condensation. A little bit of oil, but condensation.
That looks like absolute vomit. I love how you poured it in the corner. That's not gonna drain.
Oh, the napkin was just in the way.
There you go. Alright, so we are about 10 minutes in, and this is where we got so far. Wes has the charge pipe taken right off the choo-choo boy. Yeah, I got the valve cover off so we can see the cams, the dual overhead cam nonsense. It's some Ford stuff. Every vehicle Wes owns has dual overhead cams. And get the turbo out of here, and then the manifolds, exhaust and intake, and then I believe just the head. Took a bunch of grounds off and everything like that. Ben, how simple is this compared to like other stuff?
I mean, it's simple, but it's not at the same time.
Because it's just like everything's crammed in here.
They got like an extra cam. I don't know what that's for.
That thing is actually being serious right now.
Calling you, send me, calling you.
All right, guys, I haven't done anything. I've watched. I've literally cut one zip tie off. This guy right here, but Wes has been putting in work. He got his turbo off here. Very nice, Wes, very nice. And all that's left next is exhaust manifold, intake manifold. Are you gonna leave the throttle body and everything right on the intake manifold, or leave that on the car?
I'm gonna try to.
And then we will see some carnage, some K20 carnage.
Look at this shit.
How many? There's like 13
Gets fat
T's.
here, and then there's a T. There's a T and a T. Or no, these are just straight connectors. These aren't even T's. And then there's a T here.
And then there's another.
And then there's another connector here. And then there's a T back here. Oh, that's a Y. Excuse me, not a T. It's a Y.
This is the.
What is this? It's like
It's vacuum line.
they were like, oh, we have 2 foot of hose here. Let's strap this 2 foot of hose to this other 2 foot of hose.
It's like you just went to AutoZone and asked for like 10 1-foot pieces. And you just like plug them all together. It's terrible.
Oh my god, this is honestly horrendous.
No, rip it all out. We're redoing it all.
Here, snip it. Snip it right
I
here.
know where it goes.
We'll find out where it goes.
It goes right there. That goes to the top side of your waist.
The fat end,
side of your waist gate.
this makes it though, because this is some stuff they had laying around.
That's bad.
That is bad. Well, it looks like we've hit a roadblock, boys. We've gotten everything off. The motor mount is 100% destroyed. Wes, you did a number on that thing. That is just...
That was actually one piece at one point.
That's
That
just-
black piece right down there, it's all one piece.
That's like Wes
You
just...
pass me that bolt?
Wes just getting his hands on some stuff. I don't even know what bolt you're talking about. We've hit a roadblock here. We need to get the crank bolt out, and we don't have an impact that's strong enough to do it, just because we were kicking it here at the house. But I'd say we got a lot of the heavy work done. Unfortunately, we won't be able to lift this guy off and see the damage inside. That's gonna wrap up this video. Quick little update video for all you Civic guys out there. I know I have a couple Civic viewers that are always wondering what's going on with the West Civic. She's dead right now, but we're ready to find out what took her down and then fix it and bring her back. So everyone go check out Wes on Instagram. Ben doesn't have an Instagram, so don't even bother looking for him. But Wes, I'll link his like right here. And then follow myself, ls.nasty on Instagram. And I'll keep you guys updated on what was broken on this. And then when we get it back together, what power it makes and everything like that. I do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. Be sure to go follow ls.nasty for all the giveaway stuff. We will see you guys next time.